Hello, everybody. I hope you all are keeping well. Now, we have read nouns, we have read verbs, and we also have read adjectives. We know that the word which describes a person, a place, an animal, or a thing is called a describing word or an adjective. And they tell us about the quality. Adjectives tell us about the quality, quantity, size, shape of the naming word. Now, today I'll discuss more about adjectives. Now, we know that tall, beautiful, good, these are all adjectives. You can say that I am a tall boy, or my father is a tall man, my mother is a beautiful lady, my brother is a good boy. We say like this, isn't it? Now, suppose you live in a joint family and you live with your grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle and aunt. And in your family, all the male members, that is grandfather, uncle and father, are tall. So, you say that my uncle is a tall man, my father is a tall man, my grandfather is a tall man. But they are of not same height. Okay, suppose your uncle is 5 feet 11 inches, your father is 6 feet, and your grandfather is 6 feet 1 inch. Now, when you want to compare between your uncle and your father, compare about their heights, what you say that my uncle is a tall man, but my father is taller than my uncle. You are comparing between your uncle and your father only. So, comparing between two persons, you say my uncle is a tall man, but my father is taller than my uncle. So, what we are doing here, we are adding ER. When we are comparing between two persons, we are adding ER. Okay. Now, not always we can add ER. Like, your aunt is a beautiful lady, your mother is also a beautiful lady. But when you want to compare between them, you think that your mother is number one. So, you say, my aunt is a beautiful lady, but my mother is more beautiful than my aunt. Okay, you are comparing between only two persons, your aunt and your mother. Now, you are not saying my mother is beautifuler, not adding ER. Here we are adding more beautiful. So, in this way also, we change when comparing between two. And you have a friend whose name is Ram. Ram is a good boy. But you have another friend whose name is Raja. Ram is more good. But you are not saying more good, or you are not saying gooder. Sorry, Raja is more good. But you are not saying more good or gooder. You are saying Ram is a good boy, but Raja is better than Ram. Comparing between Ram and Raja only. So, here the word changes completely. Good, better. Okay. So, this is when we are comparing between two persons only, two naming words only. So, we are adding ER with the main describing word, or we are adding one full word more, or we are changing the word completely. Now, when we are comparing among 3 persons or more, that is more than 2 persons, we are again changing the word. We are again saying something different, like your uncle is tall, your father is taller than your uncle, but your grandfather is 6 feet 1 inch, so he is the tallest man in your family. He is the tallest. And you have to remember one thing, that here we have to add one the. Tallest, we are adding est. So before this est, we have to add the. My grandfather is the tallest man in my family. Now my aunt is beautiful, or my grandmother is beautiful. My aunt is more beautiful than my grandmother, but my mother is the most beautiful lady in my family. Okay, my grandmother is beautiful. Comparing between grandmother and aunt, my aunt is more beautiful than my grandfather. But when you are comparing with more persons, with 3 persons, you say my mother is the most beautiful lady in my family. Okay, so this is tall. My uncle is tall. My father is taller than my uncle, and my grandfather is the tallest person in my family. Then my grandmother is beautiful. My aunt is more beautiful than my grandmother, and my mother is the most beautiful lady in the family. Ram is a good boy. Raja is better than Ram, but Ravi is the best boy in the class. Here the word also changes totally. Okay, so there are many examples in the book also. In the book you will get many examples of this comparing between two, what we use when we are comparing between two naming words, and what we use when we compare among many. I am also giving you some examples, so you learn examples from the book and learn what I am discussing now. Okay, now look at the chart carefully. I think you can see. Yes, now the first one is clever, cleverer, cleverest. Busy, adding er, busier, est, busiest. Then deep, deeper, deepest. Friendly, friendlier, friendliest. Happy, happier, happiest. Last one is late, later, latest. So here we are adding er, and in this way we are changing the word. Okay, now I have told you that we also add more and beautiful, more beautiful. We have said, I have discussed. So see, by adding more with the main word. So the first one is delicious. I hope you can see. Yes, delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Careful, more careful, most careful. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Okay, so this is, in this way we also change it. And finally I have told you that in with some words, in some cases we change the word totally when we are comparing with between two and when we are comparing among many. What are there? There are many. I have given you some examples. I hope you can see this. Can you see? Yes. So, little, less, least. The COVID situation was bad in January. It was bad. The situation became worse in February. And now the situation is the worst, isn't it? It was bad in January, it was worse in February, and now it is the worst. Then we can say, I got many points, many more, most. I got many points in the game. My brother got more points than me. But my sister got the most points in the game. Okay. So, far, farther, farthest. I live in Jadavpur. So, Howrah is far from my house. Uttarpara is farther than Howrah. But Dankuni, where I go every day, when I go to school, I have to go to Dankuni. From Jadavpur to Dankuni. Dankuni is the farthest. Howrah is far from my house. Uttarpara is farther than Howrah. And Dankuni is the farthest. Okay? Good, well, better, best. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. Here the word changes completely. Okay? So, I think you have understood this. This is easy. If you watch my video carefully and if you read the book, you'll be able to understand it. Okay? So, prepare these adjectives at home. And all of you stay safe and stay at home. Okay? Take care. Bye.